We're gonna switch gears a little bit. I don't know if you guys are familiar with Desmond Scott. He was recently, well, they just broken up. The young lady, she's like TikTok famous. They were actually like a TikTok couple. Some of their videos were kind of cringe. If I'm being honest with you, it seemed like this was another young man that was being, you know what? I'm not even gonna say it because he did it to himself. But yeah, man, y'all gotta make sure y'all stand strong on y'all square, man. Do not sell your soul for a mother loving dollar. I promise you, that money, that fame, those houses ain't gonna mean a mother loving thing if you forget who you are in the process. All right. And I think honestly that's what happened with this couple. But we're gonna go ahead and let them cook. Hold on, let me go ahead and bring them up on stage real quick. Yeah. So Desmond Scott. Desmond Scott.
Desmond Scott now has a new address. So he has finally come back on IG and he's made a post where you can see that he's unboxing some things, putting it inside of empty cabinets. You can also see that he's grocery shopping, stocking up on things. Everything in the house is pretty much empty. You can see at one point of the video, he kind of stops and just looks around and like he's taking everything in. Now he has also responded back to...
Wait. Before we get into all of that. So this guy, I believe, is like a chef. So even though it may look empty to her, he got everything that he needs in the inside out. I think that's what a lot of people fail to realize, especially some women fail to realize. Men are simple creatures. We don't need a lot. All right? Most masculine men, we don't need a whole bunch of shoes, a whole bunch of clothes, a whole bunch of furniture and everything like that. Yo, I got my big couch. I got my flat screen TVs. The AC work. My lights is on. The bills is paid. I don't need all that extra stuff. I got enough food to where I'm going to be good. We don't need all that, man. And I think when he took a second and kind of looked at everything, I think he was actually proud. Yo, despite the fact that I'm no longer with my high school sweetheart, somebody that I grew up with, somebody that I thought I was going to be with for the rest of my life, again, man probably lost himself during that process. And when he started putting stuff in the inside of that house, piece by piece, he's starting to figure out who he is again. He's proud of the things that he's putting together now. Yo, this is mine. I'm getting back on social media now because I've taken time to find myself. And I'm not trying to bash the young lady. All right, let me make sure that I make that really, really clear right now. But it looked like she going through some things. It looked like she even though she got a chance, she got to keep the house. She got a chance to keep all the rest of that other stuff. Again, that he probably really wasn't checking for. But the thing is, again, when you look at her content, the views, everything, all those women that were probably telling her the wrong type of things, listening to the wrong people, and probably had something to do with you losing out on your doggone marriage. Because again, man, when you start throwing that type of money, that type of power, people think that they can do anything. They can talk to you any kind of way because yes, this is your page. A lot of people do know you. Yes. A lot of people are probably saying that he's mooching off of her, whatever you want to call it. But at the end of the mother loving day, you need to understand something. All right? This is a grown man. And you're not going to continue to think that you're going to get away with disrespecting me on camera. Because I've seen some videos, and this wasn't no doggone skits. This was them being honest. And the way that young lady was talking to that guy, bro, I'm going to say he better than me. Because ain't no way. I don't care what you look like. I don't care, how big your butt is, face, hair, nails, makeup, house, cars, shoes. I get out here and I struggle. I do what I have to do. But I am not going to lose my doggone dignity. And then doing it in front of millions of people is crazy work. I'm surprised that brother lasted as long as he did. I don't really know, their situation or whatnot, if it was true about him stepping out and getting with another young lady, but you know what, let me leave that alone.
Kevin Gates and Kevin Gates' advice to him and Kevin Gates' words of encouragement.
Desmond Scott, I just want to say I salute you, brother, and I'm praying for you. You nice looking, you fly, you intelligent, and you know how to cook. It's no woman on God's earth that wouldn't want you. So just ignore the hate, because right now you about to go way up in the air. Now use the hate that you're receiving right now for your motivation to prepare you for what the internet talking about. Them just miserable people. Say you wasn't happy. You did something to make you happy. The only thing I wouldn't have did was apologize.
Hold on, wait. Before you get into all the rest of the other stuff, what does that sound like? What do that sound like? Huh? Does this not seem or sound like another episode of Steve Harvey? You had to do what you had to do to make yourself happy. And most of the time, people are going to champion that. They're going to champion that, right? You weren't happy in the situation. You got out.
Yeah, ask me, Kevin, what you got? I want to slung that. What up? Excuse me. Y'all have a beautiful day. I love you guys like play cousins.
Got a message.
Oh my God. Come on, bro. Like, what are you doing? Again, and she's not a bad looking young lady. Dadgummit. Battery dead. Hold on, y'all. Dog. Switch. Camera done went dead on me. Let me. All right, there we go. We back. All right. We good? Okay, cool. We back in the trap. My fault, y'all. All right. Here we go. My bad. So that camera, I got the Sony A7 Mark II, Mark IV, my bad. That camera does overheat, so it might happen again. So, who cares? All right.
So good, but like Desmond said at the end, he kind of got worried a little bit, but he did start responding back to some of the comments.
Oh yeah, before we get into that, if you listen to what Kevin Gates was saying outside of, you look good part was crazy, he's speaking facts. The fact that, again, you take care of yourself, you can cook, brother. I mean, like, what are we doing right now? Like, you're a talented guy. You're still young. You got your entire life ahead of you. I seen, because at first it was a lot of women bashing, and then it actually switched up to where those women were like, "Yo, that man's single now." That's how some chicks is, man.
He thanks everybody for reaching out to him, sending him positive messages, the ones that are praying for him, and things of that nature. Y'all remember, even though we're in these people's business, it's no need for y'all to be sending hate mail or death threats to this man because of a choice that he made. And y'all know, this is not the first time that a divorce has happened, okay? Y'all sending hate mail to this man, and y'all auntie probably been getting cheated on forever, and y'all ain't did nothing but put it in the group chat. Y'all, let's not do that. As soon as I have some more information regarding this, I will let you all know.
Hit him with that yay. Hit him with that yay. Hey. my fault, man. My fault. But yeah, man, I think that, again, Desmond gonna be all right, man. Desmond gonna be all right. You're gonna always have people that's gonna have something to say, because the thing about it is, men are gonna always be blamed for failed relationships. That's just what it is. I don't care who you are. I don't care how good of a guy you were in the relationship, in the marriage. At the end of the day, if you break up, if you divorce, it is your fault. Own it and move on. That's just how things have been. That's just how it's going to be. Especially in them doggone comment section, you're going to have a lot of women, a lot of simp, and a lot of beta male. It is so many of them out here right now. All right, capping for whatever reason, I do not know, you know what I'm saying? But, yo, you just got to ignore the hate and keep it pushing. Ignore the hate and keep it pushing. You know how many people try to hate on me? Man, listen, bro. Comments, text messages, whatever. You just got to keep doing you. Keep smiling, keep working, because regardless of what anybody say, listen, hard work pays off. All right? As long as you continue to do what you need to do to make sure you straight, bro, let them hate. Let them feel some type of way. It ain't gonna change a mother-loving thing over here. They hate that, boy. They hate that. Listen, you probably don't like me, but all I'm gonna tell you is be blessed, and may God be with you.
Blueberry, Burberry, button-up, tan skin, mixed race, buttercup, Canada weather, got a bundle up. I'm tryna work, she hit my phone, she wanna, whoa.